Last time, I discussed the median for ungrouped data, and the median for ungrouped data is easy to compute. You will just arrange first the data in order, and after arranging the data in order, you will select the middle rank value using the formula n plus 1 over 2, and after that, you can already identify the median in the data set. But this time, I will discuss median for group data, which is different from the median for ungrouped data. In computing the median for group data, we will have different formula to use or follow. Aside from a different formula, we will also set class limits. And aside from setting class limits, we will also have different steps to take. The median for group data can be computed using the following formula. LB is the lower boundary of the median class. N is the number of sample size or population. So here, regardless kung sample siya or population, use the capital N. CF is the cumulative frequency before the median class. F is the frequency of the median class. And I is the interval. Let us now apply the formula by having an example. SJS Travel Agency, a nationwide local travel agency, offers special rates on summer period. The owner wants additional information on the ages of those people taking travel tours. A random sample of 50 customers taking travel tours last summer revealed these ages: 18, 24, 28, 19, 27, 29, 34, 36, 31, 36, 42, 45, 46, 44, 46, 57, 58, 60, 58, 59, 61, 63, 66, 62, 64, 67, 70, 77, 68, 74, 37, 39, 40, 38, 39, 49, 51, 52, 50, 51, 53, 54, 56, 54, 55, 47, 48, 49, 48, and 48. Determine the median of the frequency distribution on the ages of 50 people taking travel tours. Let us now compute the median for grouped data. The first step in computing the median for group data is to arrange the raw data in ascending order. Let's start with the lowest value, which is 18. We have 18, 19, 24, 27, 28, 29, 31, 34, 36, 36, 37, 38, 39, 39, 40, 42, 44, 45, 46, 46, 47, 48, 48, 48, 49, 49, 50, 51, 51, 52, 53, 54, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 66, 67, 68, 70, 74, and 77. After arranging the raw data in ascending order, the next step is to determine the classes. Let's find first the highest value and the lowest value. The highest value is 77 and the lowest value is 18. That is based on the ascending order of the raw data. That's why it's very important to arrange the raw data in ascending order kasi malalaman na natin kung ano yung lowest value at ano yung highest value. After that, let's find the range. The range is equal to the highest value less the lowest value. In other words, ito yung difference ng highest value at lowest value. The highest value is 77 minus the lowest value na 18. 77 minus 18 is equal to 59. After that, let's determine the class interval or width. The class interval is generated using the following formula. Suggested class interval is equal to range over 1 plus 3.322 times the logarithm of total frequencies. Take note, ng total frequencies natin dito ay 50 because we have a random sample of 50 customers. I-substitute na natin yung values. Ang range ay 59 over 1 plus 3.322 times the logarithm of 50. In order to compute the logarithm of 50, use scientific calculator or use the scientific calculator of your cell phone or smartphone. So that will become 59 over 1 plus 3.322 times 1.6989700043. Pakilagay lahat ng numbers. Para makompute yung denominator natin, kunin muna natin yung product ng 3.322 at 1.6989700043. Let's multiply. 3.322 times 1.6989700043, that is equal to 5.6439783543. After that, i-add natin yung 1. So that will become 6.6439783543. 59 divided by 6.6439783543 is equal to 8.8802215862 or 8.88. Take note na kung yung suggested class interval natin ay merong remainder, i-round off natin yan sa nearest whole number. So, ang pinakamalapit na whole number sa 8.88 ay 9. Therefore, our suggested class interval is 9. After that, let's select a starting point for the lowest class limit. Ang ating lowest value sa dataset ay 18. At yung lowest value na 18, yan yung magiging starting point natin. That will serve as our starting point. After selecting a starting point for the lowest class limit, let's set the individual class limit. In setting the individual class limit, kukunin muna natin yung lower class limit ng bawat row. Sa first row, since our starting point is the lowest value na 18, yan yung magiging lower class limit natin sa first row. Ilalagay na natin yung 18. For the lower class limit naman ng second row, idadagdag natin yung suggested class interval na 9 sa 18. So 18 plus 9, that is equal to 27. Yung 27 ang magiging lower class limit sa second row. Same process sa third row, 27 plus 9, that is equal to 36. Sa fourth row, 36 plus 9, that is equal to 45. Sa fifth row, 45 plus 9, that is equal to 54. Sa sixth row, 54 plus 9, that is equal to 63. And for the seventh row, 63 plus 9 is equal to 72. Take note na wala na tayong eighth row kasi kung magdadagdag pa tayo ng 9 sa 72, lagpas na siya sa highest value na 77. 72 plus 9, that is equal to 81. And 81 is higher than the highest value na 77 sa dataset. After getting the lower class limit, ang susunod natin na gagawin ay yung upper class limit. Sa first row, para makuha yung upper class limit, magdededuct tayo ng isa sa lower class limit ng second row. So 27 minus 1, that is equal to 26. So the upper class limit ng first row ay 26. Same process sa upper class limit ng second row, 36 minus 1, that is equal to 35. For the third row, 45 minus 1, that is equal to 44. For the fourth row, 54 minus 1, that is equal to 53. For the fifth row, 63 minus 1, that is equal to 62. For the sixth row, 72 minus 1, that is equal to 71. And for the seventh row, the upper class limit is 80. Supposedly, ang susunod na lower class limit sa 72 ay 81. 81 minus 1, that is equal to 80. So the upper class limit sa 7th row ay 80. After determining the classes, the next step is to determine the frequency. The frequency is denoted by F. For the first class limit, 18 to 26, para makuha yung frequency, bibilangin natin yung values na pasok sa 18 to 26. So please refer to the ascending order of our raw data na nasa step 1. The values that are within the class limit 18 to 26 are 18, 19, and 24. Meron tayong tatlong values na pasok sa 18 to 26. Therefore, the frequency is 3. Sa class limit naman na 27 to 35, the values that are within the class limit 27 to 35 are 27, 28, 29, 31, and 34. There are 5 values that are within the class limit 27 to 35. Therefore, the frequency is 5. For the class limit 36 to 44, the values that are within this class limit are 36, 36, 37, 38, 39, 39, 40, 42, and 44. Therefore, there are 9 values that are within this class limits. So therefore, the frequency is 9. Same process sa frequency ng class limit na 45 to 53. The frequency is 14. Sa 54 to 62, the frequency is 11. Sa class limit na 63 to 71, the frequency is 6. At sa class limit na 72 to 80, the frequency is 2. After determining the frequency, the next step is to determine the median class using the following formula. Median rank value is equal to n divided by 2. N is the number of sample. Therefore, the value of n is equal to 50 because we have a sample of 50 customers. 50 divided by 2, that is equal to 25. Mamaya, ilolocate natin yung 25th rank dun sa ating table. After determining the median class using the formula n divided by 2, the next step is to construct a cumulative frequency column in the table. Just prepare another column for cumulative frequency. Sa first row, ang cumulative frequency ay yung frequency sa first row. Just copy the frequency na 3 and place it just after CF. Para makuha naman yung cumulative frequency ng second row, idadagdag natin yung previous na cumulative frequency sa second row. CF na 3 plus yung frequency na 5, that is equal to 8. And 8 is our cumulative frequency sa second na row. Same process sa cumulative frequency ng third row. CF na 8 plus F na 9. That is equal to 17. Next, 17 plus 14, that is equal to 31. Next, 31 plus 11, that is equal to 42. Next, 42 plus 6, that is equal to 48. And for the last row, 48 plus 2, that is equal to 50. The next step is to identify the median class by locating the 25th rank in the table. Kanina sa step 4, na-compute natin yung median class ng 25. That means 25th rank. Ngayon naman, ilolocate natin yung 25th rank dyan sa ating table. Dito kayo mag-base sa cumulative frequency. Yung 25th rank ay lagpas ng 17. So that means hindi pwedeng 17 ang ating median class. Yung susunod sa 17 ay 31. And 31 is higher than 25. Ang ibig sabihin kasi ng 31 na cumulative frequency, it covers 18th to 31st rank in the frequency distribution. Therefore, the 25th rank belongs in this class. The next step is to determine the values of LB, CF, F, I, and N. Ilalagay lang natin yung median class. Ang una nating i-compute ay yung LB or the lower boundary of the median class. Para ma-compute yung LB, kunin natin yung lower class limit. Ang lower class limit ay 45. After getting the lower class limit, magdededuct tayo ng 0.5. Always deduct 0.5. Since the lower class limit is 45, that means 45 minus 0.5, that is equal to 44.5. And 44.5 is the LB. Next to compute is the CF, or the cumulative frequency before the median class. Ang median class ay 31, therefore, ang cumulative frequency before 31 ay 17. That is our CF. I-compute naman natin yung F, or the frequency of the median class. Ang ating median class ay 31, therefore, the frequency of the median class is 14. 14 is the F. Next is the I. Na-compute na natin yung I kanina, yung suggested class interval. That is equal to 9. Or pwede mo siyang makuha by deducting 18 sa 27. 27 minus 18, that is equal to 9. Pwede rin siyang makuha sa 35 minus 26. That is equal to 9. Next to compute is the value of N, or the number of sample. Just add all the values dito sa ating frequency column. 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 14 plus 11 plus 6 plus 2. That is equal to 50. And that is the number of sample. Since na-compute na natin yung values ng LB, CF, F, I, and N, pwede na nating i-apply yung formula. So the last step is to apply the formula to compute for the value of the median. The formula is lower boundary of the median class plus the number of sample over 2 minus the cumulative frequency before the median class divided by the frequency of the median class times the interval. Let us now substitute the values. LB is equal to 44.5 plus N over 2. Yung N over 2, na-compute na natin yan kanina sa step 4. That is equal to 25. Paano na-compute yung 25? 50 na N divided by 2, that is equal to 25. Minus CF na 17 divided by F na 14 times 9. Unahin nating i-compute yung 25 minus 17 divided by 14. 25 minus 17 is equal to 8 divided by 14. 8 divided by 14, that is equal to 0.57, 14, 28, 57, 14. Or 0.571, 428, 5714. Please include all the numbers. After that, imumultiply natin siya sa 9. 0.5714285714 times 9, that is equal to 5.1428571426. Please include all the numbers. So that will become 44.5 plus 5.1428571426. 44.5 plus 5.1428571426, that is equal to 49.6428571443. I-round off natin yan sa 2 decimal places. That will become 49.64. If the median has 3 or more decimal places, please round off your answer to 2 decimal places. Therefore, the median is 49.64. Observe that the median will fall within the class boundary of the median class. Yung 49.64 kasi ay within the class limit na 45 to 53. That means na kung ang median na na-compute nyo ay hindi within 45 to 53, that means pwedeng incorrect ang median na na-compute nyo. So please recheck your answer. The median should be within the class limit na 45 to 53.